So you want to invest in some shares. Great, but how do you decide which shares to buy? First, you should figure out why you want to invest in shares and what you want to get out of them. For example, are you looking to supplement your income through dividend-paying shares, or are you more interested in shares that could provide maximum capital value gain over time? You'll need to consider your personal circumstances and financial goals, such as saving for a child's education or your retirement. These will influence what type of shares you decide to invest in. You'll also need to consider your risk appetite. Share market investments aren't guaranteed, so you need to be prepared for a profit or a loss. Once you know what you want from your share investment and why, you need to know about the companies you're considering investing in. You should know what their business is and how they make money. It's also a good idea to keep an eye on news relating to the companies and industries you're keen to invest in. Another thing to consider is what influence the wider economic and financial environment will have on the company's earnings. After you've narrowed down the companies you're interested in, you can find out more about them by looking at their past performance. That's easier than it sounds because in-depth tools and charts are available through ASB Securities' online share trading service. What's more, you can review companies' public financial information, which you can find in their annual report or prospectus if they are issuing shares for the first time. Some common criteria to compare shares are earnings per share, price-earnings ratio or PE, dividend yield, and return on equity. Once you're ready to buy, it's a good idea to write down a plan for your shares. For example, that you'll sell them if the price goes above or below a certain amount. Doing this keeps your original goals in focus and can help you avoid making impulsive decisions later on. So to recap, it's easier to decide what companies to invest in once you've followed these steps. Decide what you want to get out of your investments. Research the company and industry, including economic news, past performance, and financials. Make a plan for your shares before you buy them. For other ideas, check out more ASB money tips. Or to get started share trading, visit ASB Securities online.